Hi there, guys and girls. Do you hear that? And do you see that? There's a little cat on the plants. I don't know if this cat is been missing or can't able to cross by here. So I'm gonna check it, okay? Ming, are you lost or you need some help? Ming, where are you? Where are you now? Ah, there you are. Ming. Okay, you just want some fun, huh? Ah, there you are. Ming. What's wrong? Where are you? Oh, Ming, come over here. Bye.